If you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to know how to break your lease for free in 2026. And look, I have the answers for you. Now, what might be a time that somebody wants to break their lease before in order to purchase a property? And it's because of the times that we're living in right now, or we're living in a buyer's market where there simply just isn't that much demand and sellers are willing to do more than the typical in order to get their home off the market and get the home sold. Now, how do you break a lease? And that is through the Arizona Purchase Agreement. And that is gonna be done by your realtor, who has to be an expert negotiator and get deep into sales taxes in order to get that agreement for you. Look, this is something that not everybody's gonna know how to do. Even though a lot of people have access to it, they don't even know that that program is available. This is why it's so important with who you work with. I can't emphasize this enough. Right now, we're seeing up to $10,000 and $15,000 average in concessions that sellers are giving back to buyers in order to get into a home that they qualify for. Now, you might be asking yourself, Derek, now why would I want to spend the extra $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 to break my lease when I can just wait and save that money later? Well, right now, you're saving $15,000 to $20,000 on the purchase price, and 6 months from now, I can't guarantee that for you. Because the truth is that the war is going to end at some time. Prices are gonna rise and people are gonna come back into the market, and there's just gonna be more competition out there. And I can't guarantee that sellers are gonna be willing to be as negotiable as they are in this very moment. Now, another way to also handle this lease is actually through the Ease In program that I have with some mortgage lenders. Now, what is that? Basically, what it does is it allows you to push your mortgage payment by a month, so you can use the funds of your first month of your mortgage and use that to break the lease, not have a mortgage payment, and then the next month you have your first mortgage payment. So it's pretty much a wash. Now, these are just some of the options that I have out there. And like I said, this is why it's important to work with somebody who knows how to work in every single scenario and can get you in the house that you want at the time that you want. Look, if you're ready right now and your budget says you're ready and it's time and you found a property that you like, you can use these seller concessions, you can use home buyer VIP programs, and you can use sales tactics in order to get you a deal and also get into a home with, look, as little as $0 down. Yes, you heard that right, $0 down. Now, if you're interested in more information or you have any more questions, all of my info is below the video. Be sure to reach out to me. You can call me, text me, DM me, email me, whichever method of communication you prefer, and I will answer all of your questions. This is Derek Perez, your local Phoenix Realtor, here for all of your real estate needs.